How to log out of the Smartsheet app. Have you ever been working in the Smartsheet app and needed to log out? Maybe you're switching to a different account or just want to take a break. So you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to log out of the Smartsheet app on both Windows and Mac computers. How to log out of Smartsheet on Windows. Open the Smartsheet app. Click on the File menu. Select Sign Out. You will be logged out of the Smartsheet app. How to log out of Smartsheet on Mac. Open the Smartsheet app. Click on the Smartsheet menu. Select Sign Out. You will be logged out of the Smartsheet app. Additional tips. If you have multiple Smartsheet accounts, you can sign in to a different account by clicking on the File menu and selecting Sign In. You can also log out of the Smartsheet app by closing the app. That's all there is to it. Logging out of the Smartsheet app is easy. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Additional information. You can also log out of the Smartsheet app using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+S, Windows, or Command+Shift+S, Mac. If you are having trouble logging out of the Smartsheet app, you can try restarting your computer. If you are still having trouble, you can contact Smartsheet support. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos about Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.